In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Free Fire login failed error. I'll walk you through the steps to take so you can get back into the game and start playing again. So if you're having trouble logging in, make sure to watch this video until the very end and follow the instructions without skipping forward. To get started, first go over to your settings and then scroll down and tap on apps. And then when you are on this screen, tap on the search bar up top and search for Free Fire. And then force stop the app and tap on storage. After that, tap on clear data. So this will clear out any corrupted data that might be preventing you from logging into your account. And then go back and tap on permissions. You want to give permission for all of these. Once you do that, close everything that you have opened on your phone. After that, open up your Google Play Store and tap on this search bar up top and search for a VPN. So, you can use any of the free VPNs. I already use NordVPN, so I am simply going to open that up. And then connect to the closest server to you. After that, let's open up the game and see if it has fixed the issue or not. And now it is going to download resources because we cleared the data. So I'll speed up this process. And it's going to download a little update. And let's tap on Sign in with Facebook to see whether it still has a login failed error. And boom, I'm now logged into Free Fire with my Facebook account without any problems. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.